morning, Roshni. Thank you for joining in today's interview. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, sir. How about you?
Doing good as well. Thank you. So before we proceed, can I give a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Uh, Hello, good morning. I'm Roshni. I'm a Power BI developer with 2 years of experience and a former .NET developer with 3 years of experience. I started my career as a .NET developer, working on application development and backend system. After 3 years in these roles, I took actually career break for maternity leave. During these times, I upskill in data analytics, focusing on my Power BI and SQLs. Once I was ready to return, I transitioned into a Power BI development, and I have been working in this field for the past 2 years. Currently, I work at SBM Engineering, supporting US and North American clients in data engineering and analysis. I started as a contract employee, and I was recently confirmed in March 2025. However, due to work from office requirement in Mumbai and personal reason, I am now looking for a new role. In my role, I have built a dashboard for clients in e-commerce, banking, and insurance. My work focus on transforming complex data set into a meaningful business insights. We follow an agile methodology where my manager acted both scrum masters and project manager. The process started with the gathering business requirements, defining KPIs, and getting approvals from stakeholders. I created BRDs, data models, and wireframes, ensuring alignments before development. Throughout the project, we work in iterations, deliver MVPs and dashboard, and refine them based on the feedback. From the implementation perspective, I work with row-level security, optimized data models using composite primary key, and employed advanced visualization like Tornado and Dumble charts and many other charts. This dashboard help business improve financial visibility, track sales performance, and detect fraud detection as well. One of my dashboard directly contributed to automated financial reporting, leading to reduce manual effort by 40% and improve reporting speed. I enjoy working with data because it turns numbers into a stories and drive business decision. My background in .NET gives me a strong technical foundation, and my Power BI expertise helped me to create impactful reports. I want to continue growing in this space, working on challenging projects to push me to learn more. Outside of the work, I enjoyed Zumba, which helps me to keep myself more energetic. With my experience, insurance, banking, and e-commerce, I'm excited about new opportunities where I can apply my skills and drive meaningful impact.
Okay, thank you very much. So you mentioned that you had been working on Power BI since last 2 years. Uh, why have you shifted your career from being a .NET developer for 3 years to Power BI?
Yeah, actually, I saw now this today's there is a data analysis is growing very fast. Means the AI technology is growing very fast. I saw here. I saw my career here. It's a very good opportunity for me.
So you saw that there is growth in this domain, that's the reason. So were you not feeling interested working in the .NET because in
Even
.NET
after coming into this field, I saw the interest is more also.
your interest is more as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So what major difference did you see in application development and report development?
Uh, Here, this reports is we are showing visually. Whatever the data we are showing visually, it's very impactful and very insights we are showing in one dashboards only. So it's a very simple and it's very understanding.
Okay.
We can show
What?
our meaningful insights on one dashboards with the help of KPIs. It's a very means good insights for our means clients as well.
Okay. What is the maximum volume of data that you have handled so far in the business?
Uh, I handling around millions of data, means it's a number I can say it's 1 million data.
1 million data. Okay, that you have handled. Fine. And how many years of experience do you have in data modeling and query?
So I keeps learning myself. I means I have 2 years of experience in data science.
2 years of experience.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I have a field which has been I have a field within a table which has a data type which is suppose say uh, big int. I'm getting some big numbers over there. Okay, big int is the data type that I'm using for one of the fields. Okay, I've captured some big int data as well. Okay, but now my business wants that I will not be using that data type any longer. Instead of big int, I would be using suppose say integer data type. So
Okay.
how will you be able to do it, and what are the different checks that you will do in order to ensure that this requirement is achieved?
I want to convert that big int data type into a
Integer data type.
integer data type. Uh, I think so. We cannot convert this big into int data type.
Why?
Uh,
Type conversion is possible in SQL.
yeah. So while creating, means we can alter the table, we can alter the data types as well in our table.
Mhm.
If if you want to change the data type, we can change the data types in the tables as well. Means whatever the data type is there, like say float, if I want to
How will you
convert.
approach to this problem statement? Stay to the context of whatever question that I'm asking.
Mm.
So this is the problem statement that you have. I have a data, so I'm repeating it once again, okay? So I have a field which is defined as data type bigint. I've captured some bigint data as well inside the field. Now my business wants that I will have to rechange it from bigint to int.
Yeah.
How we will get it done and what are the checks you will keep in mind?
Mm.
Okay, no problem. We can move to the next question maybe.
I check first length, then I do some conversion. First, I will check the length.
Mhm. Okay, so in my question there was the answer. If I am already captured some bigint data within the fields, if already a bigint data is present, I won't be able to change it to integer. At first, I will have to ensure that this data has to be moved from one table to the other. And in this table, if I have to capture future informations as integer, then only I would be at first have to remove all this big-end informations from my table, and then I would be able to change my data type using alter command. Okay, that's fine. Let's move on to the next question. So, suppose I need to find out that how many departments that I have in my entire organization. So what will you be able to do? What will you do?
Can you
How
repeat the
many
question?
departments that I have? How many departments that I have in my entire organization? So what is the thing that comes to your mind? How will you able to do that check using SQL?
Um, yeah, I will use that command sp underscore help and table name. So I will get the structure of the entire table so that I can find out.
Oh, how many departments?
Uh, okay, departments I need to check in particular this. So I will use the I will use the I will use the distinct command on particular department. So I will get the I will distinct and count. I will use and the department column I will use distinct count of department so that I can get the how many department is there, so I can find out. A distinct we can means remove the duplicates. All the unique value we can get it.
So you'll be using the count function on the
Yeah.
department column. Okay. And the distinct count to find out the distinct number of departments that I have in the organization. Okay. So now the scenario is that I will have to find out department-wise total salary. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe you can share your screen and show me the employee 2024 table.
Mm.
Over there, we will have some departments and the total salary also. So department-wise salary, if I want to see, how will I be able to do that?
Department wise salary.
Yeah, total salary.
Yeah. Visible my screen.
Mhm.
Awesome. Select sum of. You want total salary, right? Sum of salary. Sum of salary. Mm. Mhm. If I use. Mhm. Yeah, this is department wise a total salary.
So if I want to see the department names also, so department names as well, how will I be able to see?
Department name as well. So the name is other table. So again, we need to use the join here.
Mhm.
So 1 second. So department wise total salary you want or department wise salary I can.
Same question, just I need to see what is department number 10, what is department number 20, what's the name of
Okay,
those
okay,
departments.
okay. Mm. I will use the left join here. Select DPT sum of salary. Mm.
Mhm. You are consuming more time than expected.
Uh,
Okay, let's leave it. Let's move to the next question. Can you tell me, so it gave me a surprise that trying to put the group bys in multiple places and you were checking that whether the syntax error was forming or not. Can you please tell me what is the order of execution of clauses?
yeah, there is a order. First, we check the from, then where, check group by, uh, then having, select, and then we'll check the order by.
So why you were using group by in multiple places and you're checking?
Actually, some error is coming. I'm not able to find out that when.
Because your syntax is incorrect, right? Because you are using multiple tables and you are not defining the schema. So if you're not defining the schema, that is, if you're doing a group by, you'll have to
Okay,
mention over
okay,
there
okay.
e dot
Yeah,
department number. Without that, SQL won't be able to understand. Okay, no need to do that right now. It's done. Your time is up over here. So let's move on to the next. So suppose I have a problem statement here that I want to display the third highest salary from this employee 2024 table. How
okay.
will you do that?
Third highest salary.
Mhm.
Okay. So I will use the rank statement over here. So select salary you want.
Yeah. Rank is a function. It is not a statement.
Yeah, rank function I will use here.
Mm.
Select. Yeah, this is third. Means,
Can you explain me how it is working?
yeah, I use here dense rank to calculate the salary based on their rank. He will means dense rank is the functions which calculate here to will give the ranking based on their salary. I use the order by statement here. Use a decrement so that on the basis of their salary, I will get the ranking based on their salary. I use the select statement here to calculate, and I give rank as a rank, and after that I will use here I can give any numbers, 2, 3.
Why we are using dense rank? Why not rank?
So the difference between dense rank and rank, here dense rank will remove the spaces, means on the he will give the sequence ranking.
I didn't understand.
Means for example in the table there is a two entries like 3000 and 3000. Dense rank will give the rank 2, but after that he will calculate third one. He will give the sequential number on the based uh, ranking, means sequential ranking he will give, and other rank not give the sequential.
Your query is correct, but your explanation is not as per the expectation, but it's fine. Um, Now, if I have to tell you that I I want the employees, okay, who who has got a similar job title as, suppose to say, Smith and Blake. How will you able to do that? You have to write a query wherein you will have to find out the employees
Hmm.
who has similar jobs like Smith and Blake.
Similar job like Smith and
Blake. So do a select star from employee 2024. Execute that query.
okay. Select employee. Employee, job. Blink.
Blake, Blake.
Jobs.
Explain me means the query is taking more time. Explain me what's your approach towards this.
So,
What you're trying to do.
yeah, first I will check the uh, employee name whose name in Smith and Blake, and then I will.
My employer name. What
So
you are checking employer name Smith and Blank. You are doing a match over here, I guess, right? And you're doing a select star from employer 24, 2024. Why you're
okay,
doing a select star? What is the problem statement do you have?
yeah, I need to find out the employee whose name is including Smith and Blake.
You need to
Okay.
find out employee whose name is including Smith and Blake. No, I think that was not the statement. If that is the question that you're thinking, then you have written a very complex query then. You can just do select ename from employer 2024 where ename is Smith and Blake. According to my question was that you need to find out the employees whose job is similar to Smith and Blake.
एक second, sir. So job is that this job M.
So here, basically what you will have to do, first I need to find out what is the job of Smith and Blake, right? So you
Mm-hmm.
had to type in the inner query, select job from employee 2024, not ename. I need to find out the jobs. If I can
Yeah,
know
yeah.
the job, then this will give me two or three outputs or two outputs. Now the auto query again you will have to write select ename from employee where job in. So here also it's a conditional check that is happening. So here it will be where job in.
Sorry.
No, your approach is incorrect. Means they cannot. So these are the employees whose job is similar to that of Smith and Blake. Anyways, Hmm, that's fine. How many years of experience you have in Power BI you mentioned?
Uh, Power BI is 2 years of experience.
2 years of experience, and you have mentioned around 1 million of data that you handle. Suppose you have working on larger data sets and your reports are slow due to massive data volumes, which causes delays in dashboard loading times. Then what are the different level of checks you're gonna do in order to ensure that your performance is optimized on the dashboards?
Check. Can you repeat the question since I'm not able to?
I have a very high volume of data that is flowing in, okay, which is causing the load times of the dashboard to be increased. It's causing a lot of time. It's causing
Okay.
delays. So how will you do the optimization?
I need to
What
optimize it.
checks will you do as a Power BI developer?
So, I will use some encryption. Uh, I will use. I need to.
That's fine. We can move to the next question. So generally, once you publish a report onto the server, how do you share the reports efficiently to your stakeholders?
So, yeah, there is a. We can use the Power BI services to share our reports to our client. Power BI services. In that, there we can share our reports.
In Power BI services, you publish it. Then to
Yeah.
share, how do you share? Do you share how your stakeholders access your reports?
So, when I share this report, let me check.
No, you cannot check at this moment, right? You need to
No,
know. It's
check in the
important
sense
to
in the Power BI services. I'm trying to showcase that how I can share the reports and.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. Okay, I think I'm done with the round. We will start with the feedback session now. If